Students, we are going to learn area and perimeter of rectangle and square. First, we need to know what is rectangle and what is square. Now, what is rectangle? Rectangle is a quadrangle whose every opposite sides are equal and angle between every two sides are 90 degree. Now we can draw a rectangle. Here A, B, C, D is a rectangle and AB equal to CD and AD equal to PC. Every equal sides are opposite sides are equal and angle between every two consecutive sides is 90 degree, means angle BAD equal to 90 degree. Angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Angle BCD equal to 90 degree. Angle CDA equal to 90 degree. Now we learn how to calculate area of a rectangle. How to calculate area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Suppose ABCD is a rectangle. Here length of AB equal to A centimeter or any unit, a centimeter. So CD equal to a centimeter, obviously, because every opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. And length of AD, which is breadth of a rectangle, equal to b centimeter. So BC equal to b centimeter. There is a formula to calculate area of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle is length into multiplied by breadth. Unit into unit equal to length into breadth unit square. So here length equal to a centimeter and breadth equal to b centimeter. Then area of rectangle ABCD equals to length into breadth equal to A into B centimeter square. AB centimeter square. Now we are going to learn how to calculate perimeter of a rectangle. What is perimeter? What is perimeter? It is very important to know what is perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle is total distance covered of a rectangle. Here length of rectangle is a centimeter. Breadth of rectangle is b centimeter. Then we can calculate perimeter of a rectangle by following formula. Perimeter equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Unit. Here rectangle ABCD has a length has length of A and breadth is B. Breadth is B. Breadth is B. Then if we covered surrounding the rectangle, then we can see we cover generally we cover 2 times length and 2 times breadth. Then total perimeter is obviously the total distance covered of a rectangle. Then 2 into length plus breadth. Here length equal to a centimeter and breadth equal to b centimeter. Then perimeter of ABCD rectangle is 2 into A plus B centimeter. This is the basic theory of area and perimeter of a rectangle. Now see the following example. Suppose I am drawing a rectangle whose length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. Then find area and perimeter. So easily we already know the formula. Of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. It is called length. It is called length. It is called breadth. Here length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. Then area of a rectangle is 5 into 2, 10 centimeter square. In the same way, we can find perimeter. We know the formula of a perimeter. Perimeter equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Here length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. Then perimeter is 2 into 5 plus 2 7 centimeter equal to 14 centimeter. I hope already you have gathered how to calculate rectangle area and perimeter of a rectangle, and in next class we will see how to calculate area and perimeter of a square. Thank you.